Welcome to Elite Dealer Marketer. I'm Pete Markle, CEO and founder of submodules, a social media marketing agency which has 10 plus years of experience in using social media to help dealerships get more heads to their doors and ultimately sell more product. We have garnered tens of millions of content interactions and hundreds of thousands of followers. We have worked with award-winning dealerships with manufacturers ranging from Nissan to Porsche, Polaris to Can-Am, and Harley-Davidson to Ducati, and everybody in between. I want to introduce you to Hannah Nelson, our Senior Account Manager here at submodules. She will be the one guiding you through the course on how to become an elite dealer marketer, and all you need is a cell phone.
Hi everyone and welcome. You made a great decision in purchasing this course. Each of the clients we have worked with using the strategies I'm about to teach you have experienced consistent bottom line revenue growth month over month and year over year. What are you going to learn from this course? You are going to learn exactly how to strategize, create, and publish content for social media platforms. You will also learn how to manage your followers and how to use social media ads to reach potential and returning customers. All of these concepts that you will learn will ultimately lead your dealership to increase foot traffic, increase website traffic, and more value-based leads. The way that you do this may be contradictory to what you may think. It's not all about sell, sell, sell. It's very much more about building a community around your dealership and continuing that community online through an active and professional social media marketing campaign. We will go into detail on this later in the course. For now, I will explain to you how the course is structured. This course is broken down into separate modules. Within each module, there will be a vocabulary submodule and a selection of additional submodules, which will break down in detail each element of social media marketing. Some modules will be longer than others, but after each module, you will be one step closer to becoming an elite dealer marketer. The last thing I want to mention is that this course is by no means the only way to successfully manage a social media marketing campaign. While we urge you to follow our course, we encourage you to add your dealership's personal touch to your social media marketing campaign. At the end of the day, you know your target audience and your brand best, so be sure to communicate that through your dealership's social media. We're ecstatic that you're taking our course, and we can't wait to see you become an elite dealer marketer.